Alright, Hopper here again, and today we're looking at the Queen of Dynamism, and this relates very closely to the Queen of Swords from the Rider-Waite Tarot, but this is a woman who is in charge. She rules using her intellect. Everything is thought out well in advance and considered very carefully from an emotional state. This type of person, and this could definitely refer to an actual person, but it's also a situation in which thought is required. You don't leave room for emotional considerations. This is dispassionate, blunt, but also very carefully considered. The implications here are to sit back and observe before making a judgment. Process the information analytically, think long and hard, or refer to the woman who's in charge. I've been Hopper. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of when I post new content, and if you're feeling particularly generous, check out the Patreon page and leave a donation. Until next time.